We now go into the awesome Orders department store. Now this place has not changed in years. It's like a just complete surviving timepiece. It's like walking into this shop. It's like going back in time to the 1960s, back to what department stores used to be like. So then, taking a look around Orders, and some of the shops are actually looking rather creepy. Some parts are looking rather empty, and the upper floors are completely abandoned. So then, along we go to the main lifts, which are the Marriott Scots. Let's ride them! Now, only one of these two lifts was working this time, and round the side of this lift, there is the staff-only lift, and it's no longer working. This lift has been abandoned, and this area outside of this lift looks very dark and creepy. Spooky! And now, along we go to the escalators. Now, Orders is a selection of very rare escalators, such as this awesome old J&E Hall escalator. There's actually 4 of these here, but this is the only one left that still works. This is a very rare escalator. Go along to the Marriott Scott escalators, and while I was here, only 2 of these was actually working. Yeah, this place is actually getting quite run down. At least 2 of them are still working, and these escalators are very rare. And now go along to some old Otis escalators. And now go along to the old Otis lift. Now this lift sort of tucked out of the way around this door on the side of the shop, and when you open this door, there used to be a bell which would sound to alert the staff that you were going along to this lift, and this bell no longer works. So along go to the lift, and this lift is now abandoned. It hasn't worked for quite some time and looks quite creepy here. So then let's take a walk up the stairs and take a look at the upper abandoned levels. Really dark and creepy. Wow, just look at this, completely abandoned. Just look at this, completely empty. This shop is really run down. It's so weird. Over half the shop is just abandoned. It's really dark up here. I can barely see where I'm going. going along to the oldest car park and along to the lifts there. These are some 1970s generic lifts which have been modernised by Generic.